Welcome back to the channel, family. And in today's video, we are going to discuss a highly polarizing, highly controversial sneaker. And that sneaker is no other than the Jordan 4 RM. In this particular video, we're going to be reviewing the Jordan 4 RM Black Metallic. But before we do that, let's go into the history of the Jordan 4 RM. The Jordan 4 RM silhouette was introduced last year, starting with the Grandma's Fence, which was the green colorway. And then after that was the Grandma's Driveway, which was the gray colorway. Now, the green Grandma's Driveway fence did very, very well. It took off and resale prices skyrocketed. The gray did okay when it first came out, but then it dropped off. Both of those silhouettes did very well because they had the Nigel Sylvester backing and branding on them. After these two were introduced, Nike decided to release different colorways, but without the branding, just calling them the Jordan 4 RMs. I myself was skeptical about this silhouette when it first came out, being that I wasn't too fond of the silhouette when I first saw it. Basically what it is, it's a low top version of the Jordan 4. So what I did was I went in and got the Grandma's Driveway gray. And as soon as I got it in hand and I put it on foot, I can tell you that I was won over. This is by far the most comfortable Jordan 4 you're ever going to put your feet into. As a matter of fact, after I got the grays, I ended up getting the greens, and then I got multiple colors of all the others via Nike or via StockX. And I don't regret it. With me, I'm not a hype beast. I do like the hype beast shoes, but I also like comfort, and I like to buy what I like. I really don't care what other people think or say. It's my money, so I'm gonna buy what I like. And I advise you guys be the same way too. So looking at the Black Metallic here, it comes with nice leather. It's leather all around. Comes with the white shoelaces, the Jordan 4 bottom. And yeah, basically it's a Jordan 4. Now, I will tell you that if you do decide to get these, I would go on StockX or GOAT because you could find them really cheap. I actually got these pair for about 80 bucks off of StockX. And I do advise that you guys do go up at least half a size due to the fact that they do run snug. You guys will not be disappointed with these. Like I said, it's a very polarizing pair. I love them. I will continue to buy them, and hopefully you guys give them a try. That pretty much says it all for this video. There's not too much more to dive into. Here's the back of them once again. It's got the red air bubble. And yeah, it's just a great shoe to have if you want to have it as a beater and you don't want to put a lot of money into it. Let me know down in the comments if you guys tried these or not. If you guys do buy them, I'd like to know what you guys think of them. So with all that being said, until the next video, share, like, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.